The beauty of travelling in a four-wheel drive means there's so many camping options available to you. You've got your traditional campgrounds, holiday parks, sure. But if you're in a four-wheel drive, think bigger. Think national parks, state forests, reserves. They've all got campgrounds set up for camping in the most amazing locations, and many are accessible only by four-wheel drive. These have a range of facilities, fees and permits, and most need to be booked ahead. Others are based on a first in, first served basis. So do your homework. Farm stays and outback station stays are a real unique experience for family and a great way to experience an authentic outback hospitality. These are fully functional working properties where you can interact with the animal and learn about life on the land. Please remember, you can't just pull over anywhere and camp. You need to be in a designated camping area. You can search for all these options on the THL Road Trip app.